I'm actually going to cook right here. But I don't want too many coals, not at all. That might be good. And the rest of these I'm going to try and push as far away as I can because I don't want that side to get too hot. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do these are the regular canned biscuits. I'm just gonna put them in, 5 of them. Watch how well this works. Just amazing. So the instructions on the biscuits basically, warn you not to put any grease in the pan. So we'll just see how that goes. Okay, and then I'm just going to get my multi-tool for the lid, and I'm going to put some coals on that lid. All right. Then I just have my regular tongs, which I will use. That is dang hot. Okay. This is when you pay dearly for having short tongs. But luckily, okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to rake a few of these over. I'm going to go get a little spatula, I think. Hang on. So my idea is to basically kind of do this. Whew. Oh, that's hot. That is danged hot. Well, patience. Patience will be rewarded. I'll rake these over to the side here. And then I'll grab them with the tongs. Yes, that'll work. That'll work. So the idea here is that we're going to spread out this stuff as much as we can. Whoo, dang. Oops. Now, it doesn't have to be perfectly spread around on the lid because you can keep rotating the lid. Like a couple more. I'm looking for a nice one. Here's a nice one. Well, that should cook, and I'll just rotate it periodically. Let's turn it one more time. Nice. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's watch this. This is gonna look delicious. Oh yeah, see, those are done. Perfect. Now, what we gotta do is we'll take this lid off, set it aside here, and now wait, you've gotta keep Winston away. There are hot coals right on the ground. Then, take the actual pan itself here, move it to over here, off the fire, but keep them warm. I gotta figure out how to get the coals off that. There we go. Because I gotta put the lid back on, I assume. I'm gonna keep them warm, you know, while I make the eggs. Now, cover those. It's gonna be lush now. I gotta just move those coals off the ground. But okay, so that's gonna keep warm while we make some scrambled eggs.